Hey guys, this is Billy Williams, President of Inspire Nation Business Mentoring and the head instructor of the Fix My Insurance Agency Workshop. We work out every single day to make our body strong, to keep our agency strong, and that's why I sat down and created the Fix My Insurance Agency Workshop. I know there are 23 core processes that if you put those processes in place, if you make sure that your team is trained on them, they understand them, and more importantly, they implement them, then you're going to grow your agency. That's why the workshop is set up for implementation, not just education. We talk about everything from websites to actually how to hire the best staff in your agency. Listen to what other attendees have to say about our workshop.
So I'm here at the Fix My Insurance Agency Workshop with Billy Williams, and he literally called one of my customers and did the claims process, claims follow-up process. He did emergency contact, life insurance. I mean, he was down to a T. And it couldn't have gone any smoother. I would never use any type of information whatsoever in any type of claims follow-up. Claims follow-up right now is how you're doing, hope everything's good, I'll talk to you later. So to have that in my agency now is just, I would have given so much more for that. So I really appreciate Billy and putting this workshop on, and I'm looking forward to partnering with him very soon.
All right, hey. Bob Clee here with Kelly Clee Private Insurance. We write in every state. I live in Houston. We're located in Nashville, Colorado. But I came here only to help a very good friend of mine out work on processes for her agency. I've heard a lot of good things about Billy Williams and what he does. And in the first half of the day, I realized that the things he was teaching I can apply to my agency. I didn't realize that. So really blessed to be here. It's the first really place I've been in where you work, the hands-on new processes that Billy teaches how to put processes in place. You can literally take back your agency, plug in, and start making more money. So 2 thumbs up to Billy. The first time I've ever been to anything that he's done, and I'm very, very impressed and glad I came. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manson Nicole, Neptune City, New Jersey. I just spent the last 2 days with Billy Williams and a whole host of agents from around the country, and it's just been phenomenal getting to know Billy's system and to be able to utilize it in my office to actually be better. If you look at, Billy actually has 23 processes to allow you to be great in your system, and look at that, number 23 is Michael Jordan. So I'll equate Dr. Billy Williams to being the Michael Jordan insurance coaching. So I've just been looking forward to winning about 6 chips and maybe even more in my next 30 plus years of insurance.
Hi, I'm Susan Erickson from Petersburg, Alaska, and I came down to Billy's Fix My Agency workshop, and it was fantastic. I learned so many processes that I'm going to take back to my agency and the technologies that are really going to help keep my agency viable for the future. And I recommend it to anybody to, as quickly as you can, attend one of Billy Williams' workshops.
My name is Danny Gill. I'm the president of Infuse Insurance, and my operations manager and I came to this workshop because we had a question. Have you ever had great intentions for a process that you wanted to do or training that you wanted to do, and then the next thing you know, none of that happened? This workshop has really taught us how to manage our time, how to put effective processes in place, how to do those things which make the agency money and better protect our customers, and how to automate or to farm out those things that are not effective to us. We have a philosophy that you have to know what you're good at and you have to know what you're bad at. This set us up to where, as we continue to do acquisitions, if we bring on new staff, there's a strategic training regimen that we will put them through that's part of the Inspire Nation workshop that we learned today from all the webinars and everything that's in there. It was a phenomenal time. It's probably one of the most valuable things that we've ever done as an agency.
So if you're serious about growing your insurance agency, you should attend the Fix My Insurance Agency Implementation Workshop. You can find out all the information you need at www.fixmyinsuranceenagency.com. Again, that's www.fixmyinsuranceenagency.com. I'm excited to offer this workshop, and I hope to see you there.